Hey everyone! We're here at Classics Kitchen X Cafe. Dito lang yan sa may 1722 Alvarez Street, Santa Cruz, Manila. Kung student ka, nagre-review or tamang chill lang with tropa, perfect na tambayan to. At ang pinaka nakakagulat, budget-friendly siya pero promise, panalo sa lasa. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mararamdaman mo agad yung cozy vibe. Hindi siya intimidating, hindi rin over-decorated. Simple, maaliwalas at ang bango ng coffee nila. Nag-order kami ng carbonara, coffee, spinach pizza, nachos, at pesto. Unahin natin tong carbonara. Ang creamy ng sauce pero hindi nakakaumay at lasang-lasa mo talaga yung sarap, yung cheese, at syempre yung bacon bits na hindi tinipid. Next, spinach pizza and look at this cheese. Yung crust niya, soft sa loob. At kung vegetarian ka or gusto mo lang ng something lighter pero cheesy, this one is the best. Oh, diba? It's so delicious. At eto na, dito na tayo sa nachos loaded, hindi tinipid, may ground beef and melted cheese. Malalasa niya ang datingan. Panalo to habang nagko-coffee with barkada. Eto naman yung pesto, malasa yung basil, tapos may garlic and olive oil flavor na super balanced. O diba may subuan moments pa? Kilig much! Honestly, both pastas are worth the price, lalo na sa serving size. Pwede sa sharing, pero kahit mag-isa ka lang, sulit na sulit to. Masarap, malasa, at hindi tinipid. All in all, this coffee shop near UST is definitely a place worth checking out. Good food, good coffee, good vibes, at hindi mabigat sa bulsa. At kung nasa UST area ka or anywhere near Santa Cruz, Manila, check nyo to. Classics Kitchen X Cafe dito sa page nila. So ayan, thumbs up to sa amin. Ayain yung boyfriend, friends, and even parents. Sulit talaga tong spot na to para sa lahat. Ayun lang, bye!